Hello guys, welcome to UFC no, 328 Chamayev versus Strickland. Let's do our prediction for the card. Kato Fiber or Joey Ocha? Joey Ocha, I feel Joey Ocha because he's a better striker and a grappler than Kyle Panther. Baisangur Susukayev versus Dan John Dos Santos. I feel Baisangur it's like gym from Shamay's gym, and he's a very talented prospect, but he's like he needs to get developed very goodly. So Daniels Jordan Santos is like perfect fight for him. It will be difficult, but he can. I feel he can make it clear and लाइक मुझे लगता है कि बाइसेंगुर जीत जाएगा इस फाइट में बाइसेंगुर सुसुकाएव बाय राउंड 2 नॉकआउट पैंटी सैबे और विलियम गोमस आई विल पैंटी सैंटेटिनी will win because he is a better grappler than William Gomez. Roman Kapilov or Mwaku Pulia. I feel Roman Kapilov because her experience and he is a better kickboxer than Marco Tuliev because like he is only lost to Rodriguez and Polo Costa, but Rodriguez was not like comfortable by on his feet by Robocopilov. So I feel Roman Kopilov is very talented kickboxer, so I can see him easily taking a win. Jim Miller or Jared Gordon, I feel Jared Gordon because younger age and have better gym for training. So Jared Gordon, Grant Dodson or Mozart Rebicki. I feel Grant Dodson because he's a grappler. He's a good wrestler and has good defensive wrestling. So I feel Rebicki cannot take down him. Rebicki is probably a striker, so we try to strike with him. So I feel Grant Dodson can do good takedowns and he can take a decision win. Joe Alvarez or Yame Azumov. I feel Yame Azumov because Yame Azumov is like a very good grappler. It's like very flexible grappler in the division. So Yame Azumov is like I feel can go for a good fight. But it's like Joe Alvarez has good takedown defense. It's against he fight against Vicente Luque, but and he break the bricks out of Vicente Luque. So it is like depend. I feel what will happen like it the fight state standing, so it can go to Joe Alvarez और कि ये यामोस याल्सा यामोस में जा सकता है ये फाइट क्योंकि ये फाइट में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें हैं लाइक कोई स्टैंड अप में रहा तो जो एल्वारेज कैन टेक इजी विन और कि यामोस मॉसॉफ में गया तो वो फाइट वेरी स्लो और एक क्रैपलिंग सबमिशन रहेगा ये मोर देन राउंड 2 से ज़्यादा आगे नहीं जा सकता फाइट सो आई थिंक यामोस में जाना पसंद करूँगा ग्रैपलर है और यंगर फाइटर वो था यंग टेक्निकली बट आई थिंक यामोस ऑल्सो Antiva Goti is simple as fight to choose like Antiva Goti is like the knockout artist and OG Diaz is the victim of the fight. So Antiva Goti easy win. King Green versus Jim Stevens. King Green, younger, not younger, but same age, but he has a better fighting stance and is only require a power puncher to destroy him. Jeremy Stevens is a power puncher, but I feel King Green has better evasiveness than Jeremy Stevens. So I feel King Green can take a easy victory here. Sean Brady versus Joaquin Buckley. I feel Sean Brady is a better grappler. than Buckley, and he has more muscle mass than Buckley. I feel like it will same thing will happen against he did against Leon Edwards. So I feel Sean Brady by submission. I feel Wardley or Costa because of his power punching ability, and Volkov is like not that. He's very chinny fighter. I feel it can be out chin. It's like Volkov can Wardley Costa have the power to knock out. Now he can win easily. Joshua Wan versus Tatsuro Taira. My favorite fight to discuss is like more than the main event. Oh my bad. More than the main event because the fight is very interesting. A Myanmar prospect versus a Japanese prospect. I feel Joshua Wan can take a easy win here because Joshua Wan has better takedown defense and he is a very good striker. Then Tatsuro Taira is a normal, is not that good of a striker. I feel so. Joshua Wan can take an easy victory here. But it's like, but the grappling is very problematic for Van. It's like the fight percentage is 55 and 45%. Like Tarsu is 45% and Joshua Van I feel 55. It's my according to this is that much rating. So I feel Joshua Van by decision. Chamayev versus Strickland, the main event of the card. I feel Chamayev by round one submission. It's like Strickland cannot do nothing. It's like he got taken down by DDP itself. So I feel Samayev by round one submission. So thank you for watching UFC 228 Samayev versus Strickland. Thank you.